Welcome again to the All Golf Workshop. Today I've got the cut-off end of an old hickory shaft. I'm going to make a 2-inch butt extension with an 1.5-inch turn portion that I can put into the end of a mashy niblick that I drilled a hole on the old antique drill press the other day, and so now I got to turn this down so it'll fit into that hole. This is a South Bend lathe that's not an antique. It would have been a whole project to restore an antique lathe, but it's a real nice little shop lathe, and we're going to turn down the wood shaft. I just like to knock down those burrs that build up so I don't have such a big group of it to fight at the end of the turn. Clean up the edge so we have a nice square turn surface. Give a little bit of a camper on the lead in here. Hit that edge a little bit. That should do it. So this is now what I call a butt end of the shaft extension, and we'll show you how that installs in the next segment. Thanks for coming again.